How to attack in Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to attack effectively in Kingshot, pushing your kingdom higher in battles and PvP. First off, build a balanced army. Use infantry up front to soak damage, archers to firepower, cavalry for flanking or strike teams. Start your attack by scouting enemy defenses first. Check their troop layout and hero buffs, then tweak your lineup accordingly. A common effective formation is something like 5 infantry, 2 cavalry, 3 archers, but adjust based on what you see. Against archer heavy bases, bring more cavalry to counter them, boost your heroes and gear, especially archers, lethality, and infantry health. Since infantry take the hits and archers deal damage. During battles like suppress or PvP, unleash hero skills strategically. Use crowd control ultimates first, then damage boosts. Finally, always join an alliance. They offer healing speed ups, rally boosts, and shared intel that keep your attacks effective over the long run.